it's Curtis J. Lau. I'm the new owner of Signs Service and Supply. After 16 years, Todd is stepping back to spend time with family, ride motorcycles, and play golf. And we couldn't be happier for him. But we all know Todd, and he can't sit still for long. So we're excited to see what else he has in store. Todd's put his life's work into this business and serving his customers, and it is my mission to carry that legacy forward with the same service that you've come to expect. I had the privilege of working with Todd when projects brought Mammoth handcrafted signs and Sign Service and Supply together. Right from the start, I could see Todd's attention to detail and quality. I got excited about the opportunity to offer design and fabrication and sign maintenance under one roof. So I purchased the company back in July of 2018. For those of you that haven't met me, I'm a former United States Marine with a unique background in fabrication and creative skills, including an extensive background in visual communication, a degree earned from the Art Institute of Colorado way back in 1998, and progressing with an advanced education in the world of custom hot rod and motorcycle fabrication at the Hot Rod Institute in Rapid City. As we continue to grow and serve the Black Hills, for branding purposes, I've merged the two companies to form Mammoth Signs and Service. If you haven't explored all the products and services we offer, go check us out online. Subscribe to our newsletter where we cover what's new in the world of signage and visual design and what's working for Black Hills businesses just like yours.